Hey friends, recently I was contacted by Emily Stone, who is the creator of the Collage Soup books. Now I hadn't heard about them, but after getting a few in the mail as a gift, I am hooked. The images are beautiful and would look good in any collage piece, any art journal, or even just framed as a piece of art. Today we're using a couple of the Collage Soup books to make stickers using my packing tape hack. I'll even show you how to make them with a crack back so they're easy to peel and stick. Are you ready? Let's get making. Hey friends, I love making stickers with this packing tape hack, but sometimes it's hard to get the backing off of the sticker, so I've come up with a way to fix that. For my sticker images, I'm using some Collage Soup books by Emily Stone. Let me tell you, these books are filled with inspiration, and you can either rip out the images you love, or for what I'm making today, you can color copy them and use the images over and over. Either way, you are going to love these books and all of the incredible images contained in each one, I promise. Here you can see that I've color copied lots of my favorite images, and I'm ready to start cutting out each image from the copies. You can either leave a little edge around the images or not, it's up to you. Get some parchment paper, and for ease, a sticky cutting mat, the kind you would use with a Cricut cutting machine. Place a sheet of parchment paper shiny side up. It's really important that the parchment paper is shiny side up on the mat. Cut it the size of the 12 by 12 cutting mat and stick it down. Next, with a sharp craft knife, you'll want to slice the parchment paper every 2 inches. This is where the stickers will crack and it will make them so much easier to use. Cover up the parchment paper with clear packing tape, making sure to overlap each strip about 1/8 of an inch or so. Just a tiny bit, and take your time here. The history of stickers began with ancient labels in Mesopotamia and Egypt, evolving to the 18th century paper labels for merchandise, then the 1839 moisture-activated postage stamp, and finally the invention of the modern self-adhesive sticker in 1935 by R. Stanton Avery. Since packing tape can be a little staticky, I'm going to add a thin line of glue stick and place down my cutouts. This will keep them in place for the next step. Once you've placed down all your images, cover them again with strips of packing tape, overlapping the edges about 1/8 of an inch or so. When it's completely covered in tape, peel everything off of the mat and cut around your images, leaving about 1/8 of an inch or more around the cutout. This will trap the image in the tape nicely. Now you're ready to stick your stickers wherever you want. I love using them in my art journals. I'm going to leave a link to the Collage Soup website in the description. I know you are going to love Emily's books. I think they're fantastic and full of inspiration for all of your creative projects. Let me know what you think in the comments. You know how much I love hearing from you. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.